Oh my goodness, just watch what happened. This man parked his car near the railway and the train was already coming. Now see the man coming, trying to remove the car, but it was too late. See the heat. Oh my goodness, the car is totally, or the train is damaged. Who is damaged here? The train or the car? Oh, look at the owner of the car. Or is it the driver? Who is that? Now let's go see the driver, whether he's okay. Oh no, unfortunately, the car has a sentimental attachment with the driver. The driver is hot. Now look at how the driver is walking. Take a look at me. Oh my God. Sorry. Sorry, you can see that. There's nothing we can do about it.